Hey guys, it's Kamiyah Queen back again in another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this iPhone 6 that I got. It's pre-owned. It's from Boost Mobile, and it's like a little unboxing video. And I also bought these two cases from MERCARI. Got this one that says Girl Power, and then I got this blue OtterBox one. Thought this was really cute. And then I got this other one. It's a Minnie Mouse, but it should be coming later on today. So if it comes before the day's over with, I'll be showing you what it looks like, and if not, you'll just have to see it another time. So let's get to the unboxing. That was kind of weird. Whatever. Let's unbox. Alright, so it came in this brown regular box. So let's get to it. I think I'm doing this right, but gotta open anyway. Ah, I just cut myself. Okay, this should probably, okay, they gave me a bubble. Just gonna pop that. But this is the box that the phone comes in. If you want to see that, pre-owned phone on it, and I've seen these videos, so you just slide it out, and then it should come out like this. Oh, it's taped. Okay, so it's taped right there. Now we shake. Okay. Comes with the chip thing. There's a chip's already in the phone, of course, because that's how they work. And then you get the charge and sync USB cable. So basically this is your charger, and then the box. And I know that these do not come with the headphones, which is a sad case for some, which is like for me, so I have to get me a pair. And then basically you get your little warranty here. You know, how to submit your claim in case something's not right. This is the phone. Honestly, it looks freaking brand new. Let me see if I got some scratches or something. Okay, there is little dent here. That's about it. For the most part, you're good. And it came with this little clear plastic thing, and then it gives you a screen protector. That's good because I was going to buy one. But I guess I won't have to do that now. Power it on. Just gonna wait for that to turn on. So, of course, pops up like that. You guys can see that. And I'm English and United States. Okay. Okay, guys. So basically, you just want to set up your phone and enter all your information and all that good stuff. All right. So this is, I'm gonna just show you the phone in itself while this is loading here. All right. So at the top, you see the little, where I was talking about, like the little dents. That's what it came with. And here's the side. Just a little bit of scuffing on the side. Right there. If you can see that. Yeah, that right there. The bottom, I didn't really see anything. Nothing really there. I'll set that up in a second. But nothing, like a little dent there. And then this is the back of the phone, and there's like a little bit of, I don't know, something going on by the camera. Hope that doesn't actually affect the camera. We'll see about that. But all in all, like, there's no reason why you should pay full price for an iPhone if you can get one that's used. I don't know about the battery yet, because I know a lot of people say that they have a bad battery whenever they get one of these, but I'll tell you about it, or comment in the I'll put it in the description box after I use it for a little bit and say what the battery is like. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like this video or these types of videos of me unboxing or doing reviews on things that you might want to buy or whatever. So yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.